What's up, YouTube? It's Jermaine back for another video, and this is really important for California drivers. I just got this email a couple hours ago. Please take action to comply with new CPU rules and regulations. This is for all California drivers, by the way. The California Public Utilities Commission, which regulates transportation network companies, has updated its rules that apply to TNC partners like you. These rules require your action by June 27th, 2016. Alright, and there's a video here talking about, the rules and regulations. I just watched it here. I don't want to share it because I don't know if that's cool with Uber. And this is the important part. But I'm not going to read this. I'm just going to sum this up in my own words. Basically, what this says is from now on, you need a U on the front windshield and a U on the back windshield. And if you don't, you can be fined up to $1,000. They say that the trade dress will help riders quickly identify your car, which is true. But also trade dress will help, the police and other folks to notice that you're an Uber driver as well. So that's pretty much the sum up here. Now this is probably gonna spread to other states throughout the U.S. They just passed it in California, and I don't see why this would not, spread to other cities. New York does something similar to this already, where I believe in New York you have to have it on the front driver window and the windshield or something like that. So it may be different in every state. This is the scoop for California right now. So we got new rules to abide by. And this starts on June 27th, which is next week. Right now it's, the 23rd. So you guys got a couple days to go to the Uber office and pick up another U, or print a U off of a computer at home, or you got a couple more days to get one. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.